Study on factors affecting equipment management and its effect on productivity in building construction. Abstract: construction equipment is one of the important resources of modern-day construction in the building sites. Equipment selection is an important factor in the implementation of many construction projects. Equipment managers are habitually called upon to make economical decisions involving the machines in their charge. Their duties includes repairs, rebuilds, and maintenance. Around 30 to 40% of construction cost overrun is caused by inappropriate supervision of equipments. The purpose of this paper is to identify the various factors affecting equipment management which affects the productivity in construction sites. The main goal of the research study is to provide essential information about factors affecting equipment management to the project management teams who enable the project's success. The questionnaire was categorized into the profile of respondents and the factors in 3 different groups. This profile were created to collect the information such as job position, experience, and contact information. Factors affecting equipment productivity were ranked on the basis of relative importance index method. Based on analysis, the factors which affect equipment productivity are late inspection, condition of sites, operators' efficiency, and availability of skilled operators. Introduction. Equipment is one of the key factors for civilizing contractors' ability in performing their work more successfully and efficiently. Monitoring the productivity of manpower and equipment project by using Spearman's ranking and correlation coefficient of factor analysis. Mudumbe I Krishnaswamy Parthasarathi 1 and Kavitha Murugesan 2, 2017. In most cases, equipment maintenance strategy of effective construction were recognized and contributed extremely to the project cost overrun by frequency analysis method. 1 Sadhu, Theophilus Yisa, 2 Theophilus Yisa Sadhu, 2014. Classification of the criteria and its effect on equipment selection is measured. Developing a framework for the selection of equipment management. Uses of new equipment and modern methods had been possible in the research. 1 Janki Patel, 2 Drive. Niraj Sharma, 3 Rushavite Shah, 2017. Here the model uses arithmetic and geometric gradient method for the future life cycle costs of the equipment which yields the minimum present value of total costs is required. A. Collier 1 David E. Jacques 2, 2015. Selecting the equipment that considers job condition and gives the lower costs. Identifying the equipment optimization of profit analysis and also the equipment production analysis is a combination of lowest operating cost and highest production. A. N. Baroud 1, V.D. Sacker 2, 2015. Examine the factors that affecting productivity of well-organized utilization of hauling equipment in earth-moving operations using fuzzy set theory. Fuzzy set evaluation framework is used for the assessment and prioritization of factors should be considered. A. Salem, A. Salah, M. Ibrahim, and O. Moselhai, 2017. Breakdown and efficiency improvementaire conceded out by define, measure, analyze, improve control, MAIC, method. To assess productivity by improving the equipment efficiency, Amir Azizi, 2015. To improve the productivity of equipment management in multi-story building construction projects based on logistic regression models for the probability of baseline productivity. This research study about designed and proper extension for the construction equipment management for enhanced productivity. Evaluating overall traffic flow of construction equipment which influences the efficiency of the project. D.B. Fadater S.B. Charhate 2016. Analysis were used in modeling obsolescence costs in the equipment alternate analysis and study about the alteration in equipment productivity adjusting the cost inflations and making some specific suggestions considering the numerical formulas. Itafal Borisov 1 and Ali Turan, 2002. Recognition of the factors affect one equipment assortment and proper use of suitable equipment will give economy, quality, time completion, operation and maintenance, and also gives clarification for the logical assessment of overall factors. Number Yariwala. Identifying the number of factors of simulation productivity analysis model for the construction workforce. The different models were taken to select the equipment for productivity. Remedial measures can be applied in the building sites. Prakash H. Panda No. 1, Mr. Sahajanand Kamat No. 2, 2017. This paper analyzes the time series modeling methods that gives both point and period terms to predict the failures and their consistency characteristics for the predictive performance for construction equipment. Tracking the situation of equipment to recognize the failures, Ching Fan and Hung Kin Fan, 2015. Estimating the methods of life cycle costs and decision methods were compared. The various elements to be measured though purchasing the equipment and optimizing the effectiveness. Psychomartanapali SS Asadi K. Saikala, 2017. Factors affecting productivity of equipment resources for the top organization of the project. Implementing organization tools for improving and increasing the output. Venkatesh M.P1 and Saravana Natarajan P.S2, 2019. Equipment management. The selection of construction equipment for a work site is a key factor to be measured for time completion of the project within the predetermined budget. The cost efficiency is a main criteria of construction equipment management. Another major characteristics of effective construction equipment management is a defensive maintenance which can help to save a lot of time, cost, and reduce delays in project. Equipment is an item that is portable from small hand tools through truck, crane. The complexity of today's construction projects makes it harder to appraise equipment alternatives and makes the right selection of equipment. Based on their experience, equipment managers decide on day-to-day management of equipment operations, and also on tactical operations such as new equipment procurement. Thus, responsibilities of the equipment managers, ensuring that the equipment is properly used, maintained, utilized, and managed, are rather challenging. Effective operation of construction equipment should be maintained to avoid under-exploitation of such huge investment. Also, repair and maintenance should be carefully intended and high productivity rates should be realized during operations. Research methodology. The research has been investigated in order to identifying the factors that mostly affecting equipment management in construction. A questionnaire was targeting about the factors affecting equipment management in the various types. This division contains classification of causes, collections, and suggestions. Distributing the questionnaires to the employees involved in the implementation of the selected organization. Each respondents had a choice to select only one option for each set of questions. The responses were to be based on the understanding, significant and experience. Data collection and analysis. One of the most important segment is a data collection. Data collection is the procedure of collecting essential data report for a certain sample. A plan was formulated for collecting field survey and creating an assessment process and statistical values. It was essential to make available a respondents to ensure a clear understanding of all the appropriate definitions, measures, and guidelines were used in data collection. Here, relative importance index method is used in the data. This method was used to ranking the overall factors and to decide various professionals' opinions in the construction projects. RII is calculated as given below. RII equals W/A*n, where W is the weight given by the each factor. W ranges 1. Very low 2. Low 3. Moderate 4. High 5. Very high A is the highest weight 5. N is the total number of responses. Management factors affecting equipment management. Table 1 and Figure 1 shows that the ranking of various management factors. Late inspection was ranked first in the management factors with an RII value of 0.681. Factors affecting workforce characteristics. Under workforce characteristics factor operators efficiency was ranked with an RII value of 0.675. Each equipment has a unique performing character. Factors affecting equipment characteristics. Availability of servicing part of equipment has ranked first among the equipment characteristics. So care should be taken while choosing an equipment of spare parts availability and its repairing. Overall factors affecting equipment management. The following table and graph shows the overall ranking of factors affecting equipment management in a building construction. Conclusions. Factors affecting equipment management are many in the construction firms. Prior knowledge of equipment management during construction can save money and time. Investments for these projects are very high because of the difficulty in construction. Various factors can affect exceedingly in productivity. This research is proposed to recognize the causes of feasible factors under equipment management in construction. This study investigates all the feasible factors throughout a questionnaire. The survey results are subjected to ranking of factors is considered by using RII method. The range of RII for workforce factors is between 0.556 to 0.675. The range of management factors is between 0.583 to 0.681. The range of equipment characteristics is between 0.553 to 0.661. Based on the analysis it find out the workforce factors, late inspection, soil condition, operators' efficiency, availability of spare parts are the foremost factors affecting equipment management in the construction.